Given an angle measuring 44 degrees, find the complement of the angle. To do so, we first look at the definition of complement. That means that these angles would add up to 90 degrees. Therefore, subtracting 44 from 90 yields the answer of 46. Consider the figure and answer the question. Given that the measure of angle ABD is equal to 44 degrees and the measure of angle ABC is 59 degrees, what is the measure of angle DBC? The protractor postulate tells us that the sum of the two angles add up to make the larger angle. Through a little algebra, we can rearrange this postulate, and by substituting, we find our answer, 15 degrees. Please take a moment to copy down this example, as we'll be working together on this example for the next couple of slides. First of all, we observe that because the angle is bisected, the measure of angle ABD must be equal to the measure of angle DBC. By the protractor postulate, adding up ABD and DBC must give us the whole angle, which is 106 degrees. From there, we substitute the given values. Although these are algebraic expressions, we can still substitute them into these equations. From here, we will begin combining like terms. After combining like terms on each side of the equation, we have the following system of equations. And by gathering all of the variables on one side, we have the following. X is equal to negative 5y plus 47, and 9x plus 3y equals 87. We will use the first equation to substitute the value of x into the second equation. Be sure to use parentheses when we substitute, and we end up with the following equation. From here, we will simplify and solve for y. After distributing the 9, combining the y variables and subtracting the 423 from both sides, and finally dividing both sides by negative 42, we find that y is equal to 8. We will use this value in the original equations to find x. Since x was equal to negative 5y plus 47, we replace y with 8 and then simplify to solve. 5 times 8 is 40, and negative 40 plus 47 is 7. Thus we have our final solution, x is equal to 7 and y is equal to 8.